All right, sticking with companies that reported numbers and were rewarded, Mindtree was one such company. In fact, the stock surged 14% today after the IT company's revenues and margins for the fourth quarter exceeded street expectations, especially at a time when many of its larger peers have been reporting subdued numbers. So joining us now with the specifics of Mindtree's earnings is my colleague Nigel. Nigel, numbers look good?
Well, that's right. Mindtree's numbers look quite good. There was a beat on the top line itself, a beat of closer on 2.5% or thereabouts. But the big beat came in terms of margins. Now, on a sequential basis, the margins improved by roughly around 60 to around 70 basis points odd, but that was including a couple of adjustments. They paid closer on 20 crore rupees odd to the Prime Minister's fund, and also there was a forex loss of closer around 25 crores odd. Adjusted for both those two, the margins came in excess of around 14%, and that was where the big beat was. It wasn't just the past quarter where the numbers looked good. Also, the deal wins in the past quarter was nearly around $393 million. That was much higher on a sequential basis as well as on a year-on-year basis. On the back of this good beat, higher margins being guided for as well in the management commentary, Motilal Oswal went ahead. They have upped the EPS estimates by around 15%, and they've also increased the target price to around 960 rupees per share.
All right, so that was about Mindtree. Thanks a lot for that. With that, we move on to the fifth and the last headline of the day. Rarely there's a